Do you believe, or do you have reason to believe, that he is gang affiliated? That's why he was afraid of gangs back in El Salvador, and that he does have an affiliation?
Just by you saying somebody's a hardened criminal doesn't necessarily make them so. This is an individual who's married to a U.S. citizen, who has 3 U.S. citizen kids, who has no criminal record, who's a union member, and who pays taxes. I thought those were the kind of people that we said that we weren't going after when we were targeting deportees. There's nothing in there that makes me believe that he is an MS-13 gang member. An IJ looked at this, an immigration judge looked at this in 2019, found nothing that believed he was a gang member because that would have barred him from that form of relief if he was a member of a gang. So I've seen nothing. An immigration judge looked at it and seen nothing. The district court has looked at it and seen nothing. The Fourth Circuit has criticized the government because they put up nothing.
Do you think you get him back?
I think we get him back at some point. I think it's in the government's interest to avoid constitutional crisis. I think it's in El Salvador's interest to avoid this. I think they don't like the publicity on this right now. I think that's why it's hot. I think that's why they're trying to bury it. I think that's why you saw in district court today, they're trying to stall, talking about appealing the judge's order. And she's like, there's nothing to appeal, but I do think you will see them make that move. But I am hopeful that the government will comply with the Supreme Court's order. That's why I'm optimistic that we get him back, because if they've not complied with the Supreme Court's order to facilitate his return, where have we landed?